Hello students, this is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Chhauni. The student, in connection of your book entitled Behive, we are in the progress of 4th unit where we have started unit 4 entitled A Truly Beautiful. Students, this is not a simple lesson, rather it is a lesson teaching us a great lesson. This lesson is about Albert Einstein, the greatest scientist of the world. I have stated where he was born, what happened when he was taken to the school, and what was the remark of the headmaster, and later on why did Albert Einstein decide to just leave German speaking Switzerland school, and ultimately he showed his interest in mathematics and physics. Students, this is also well aware to you that Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and he was interested in physics. Gifted means, I would like to make it clear that his love, his dedication, his command over mathematics was God gifted. It means he had not been just pressurized, he had not been making it clear, and ultimately his interest in physics made him a man of great challenging will. Students, he was very handsome also, and he came very close to his fellow students, namely Mileva, who was more talented, more intelligent than Albert Einstein, as he has stated. They were studying in the same university in Zurich, and they came very close to each other. Their friendship was converted into love affairs, and they started writing scientific love letter, which is the rarest letter in the world, because most of us can write love letters in no time, but it's very difficult to write scientific love letters. The students, they used to write, they used to understand, and they used to make it clear, but God had something else in his mind. It was in the year 1900 when he was at the age of 21. Albert Einstein was a university graduate and he remained unemployed. It means after becoming graduate, he had no chance to be employed in any factory, in any department, or in any official just way. So this was very surprising, very disappointing. He was a very hard working man, so he started teaching as assistant teacher and started giving private lectures to the interested students, and finally he got a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Bern is a beautiful city. There was a patent office. Patent office means some special power is given to that very particular country which has got patent over any other thing of any other country. So his life started. When he was supposed in the patent office in Bern, he just was told to assess other people's invitation. Einstein is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Students, he couldn't stop himself. He was very just interested thereof. He made his drawer as experimental box where he used to do theoretical physics and experiment in physics. He continued there and he was very much interested in that one. He never wanted to just waste even a single minute of his time when he was patent officer. Students, one thing is also very meaningful here, that he has also taught us a good lesson, that if you are in very critical, very difficult situation, you should not just lose hope and you should continue your just way as you have decided. The student's life started growing, and it was in the year 1905 when this scientist just propounded a special theory of relativity. A special theory of relativity according to which time and distance are not absolute. This is scientific theory, and you have to understand, you are being taught in class 9 or 10 what is theory of relativity. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey, if they come together again after completing their journey. From this, Einstein followed the world's most famous just formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy. It is known as E is equal mc square. This is the most important theory. Students, this will help you in scientific discovery also, in your science subject also. I would like to make it clear. E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c stands for just the speed of the light in just which is measured as 3 lakh kilometer per second. The students, this theory was for the first time brought to the common light. People got very inspired and Einstein started becoming an international personality. Students, rest of the paragraph we shall complete in next video. So go through it. If you have any query, ask me, and you have to do the homework in the copy of the school. If you do your homework in other copy and we shall get it after school reopens, that will not be evaluated, that will not be checked. So please keep it in mind. Do the homework of each and every chapter that I am completing, that I have completed, that I am teaching you, and I hope you will go through the video. So best of luck. Wait for